In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines and arrows in Figma. Drawing lines and arrows is a fundamental skill in Figma, essential for creating flowcharts, user journeys, connecting elements, or simply adding visual annotations to your designs. It's a straightforward process, and once you know where to look, you'll be creating clean, effective directional indicators in no time. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the toolbar located at the top of your Figma canvas. This toolbar houses all your essential design tools. Look for the Shape Tools icon, which typically appears as a rectangle or a square. Next to this icon, you'll notice a small down arrow. Click on this small arrow, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a selection of various shape options. From this menu, you can easily choose either the Line tool or the Arrow tool, depending on your specific design needs. The Line tool is ideal for simple dividers or connecting 2 points without implying direction, while the Arrow tool automatically includes a directional indicator, making it perfect for illustrating paths, steps, or pointing out specific details in a more explicit way. Once you've selected your desired tool, simply click and drag your mouse across the canvas to draw your line or arrow. A useful tip for ensuring your lines are perfectly straight, whether horizontally, vertically, or at a 45-degree angle, is to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you drag. This constraint will snap your line into precise angles, giving your design a much cleaner and professional look. After you've successfully drawn your line or arrow, the next crucial step is to customize its appearance to fit your design's aesthetic and functional requirements. With your newly drawn line or arrow still selected on the canvas, direct your attention to the right sidebar in Figma. This area is known as the Properties panel, and it's where you'll find all the editable attributes for your selected element. Look for the section specifically labeled Stroke. Here you'll be able to adjust what Figma refers to as the weight of your line or arrow. The weight simply denotes the thickness of the line. You can easily modify this by typing a numerical value into the input field or by using the small up and down arrow controls to incrementally adjust the thickness. Increasing the weight will make your line thicker and more prominent, while decreasing it will result in a finer, more subtle line. Beyond just the weight, this stroke section offers further customization options that are incredibly useful. You can also change the color of your line to match your brand palette. Select different stroke styles such as solid or dashed lines for varied visual effects. And for arrows, you even have the flexibility to modify the start and end points. This allows you to choose from various arrowhead styles, or even remove an arrowhead altogether if you decide against it later. Experimenting with these options allows you to create lines and arrows that truly enhance the visual hierarchy and overall clarity of your designs.